In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete comment on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then continue to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to scroll down until you locate activity. Then make sure to tap on activity log. On this interface, you have a list of options. Make sure to select your activity across Facebook. Then scroll down a bit and continue to tap on comments and reaction. Then this will drop a list of menus. Proceed to tap on comments. Then you have the list of all the comments on Facebook. If you want to delete any, all we have to do is to navigate beside the comment and then tap on this three dots. Then proceed to tap on delete. And that is it. You have successfully deleted comments on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.